month edition of our VVS digital platform. Greetings everyone. As we navigate another dynamic month at Vidya Valley School, Mohali, we are thrilled to bring you the latest updates, achievements, and stories for our VVS digital platform. VVS digital platform captures the spirit of a school community from academic highlights and creative pursuits to sports victories and special events. 1st April 2025. Vidya Valley School extended a heartfelt welcome to new kindergarten parents during the new Parents Orientation Program 2025-26 held on campus. The event marked a joyful beginning for families stepping into the school community as they were introduced to the engaging and nurturing world that awaits their children. The orientation program was filled with cheerful moments as parents and students participated in fun-filled activities, interactive games, and warm conversations with class teachers. 2nd April 2025. In addition to the kindergarten program, orientation sessions for parents of class 2nd to 11th were also conducted on 2nd April. These sessions focused on familiarizing parents with the school's policies, academic expectations, and behavior guidelines, ensuring a collaborative approach to each child's development and success.
Hello everyone, my name is Priyanshi from Vidya Valley School. Now I am going to update you about till the date 5 to 10 April. On April 5, 2025, the auspicious occasion of Ram Navami held. A beautiful painting activity on Ramayan was organized. Students showcased their activity and creativity by bringing the epic life through colors and imagination. Mohali, April 10, 2025. Vidya Valley School proudly congratulates its brilliant young achievers who excelled in the Silver Zone Olympiad across various domains including STEM, reasoning, informatics, and general knowledge. Students brought laurels to school by securing gold, silver, and bronze medals, showcasing their intelligent powers, critical thinking, and problem-solving abilities. A national platform. Hello, my name is Anusha Agarwal. I am going to give you updates of 11th April to 13th April 2025. School organized an insightful capacity building program for teachers aimed at strengthening pedagogical practices and aligning them with defined learning outcomes. The enriching session was led by the school's respected principal, Dr. Suman Lata, who shared valuable strategies to enhance classroom teaching and student engagement. Teachers were introduced to initiative and effective pedagogical methods, empowering them to deliver more impactful and outcome-driven lessons. April 13, 2025, Vidya Valley School came alive with color, culture, and celebration as students marked the joyous festival of Vaisakhi with great enthusiasm and spirit. The event reflected the essence of unity, gratitude, and tradition that the festival stands for. The campus based with incitement as students presented a range of the vibrant performances, including traditional dances and songs, capturing the true spirit of Punjabi's Harvest Festival. Kindergarten students stole the show, dressed in colorful attire, spreading smiles and festival cheer throughout the school.
From 16th April 2025 to 17th April 2025, VVS conducted an insightful and interactive parenting session for grade 9 students and their parents, centered on the key themes of health, nutrition, social media awareness, discipline, and crucial CBSE guidelines related to registration and subject selection. The session aimed to equip families with the knowledge and tools necessary to support students during these informative academic years. Emphasis was placed on making responsible choices, maintaining a balanced lifestyle, and understanding the academic framework set by CBSE for future success. 17th April 2025. School organized a thoughtful and engaging wellness session led by the school counselor aimed at nurturing emotional well-being and promoting mental health among students. This session encouraged meaningful discussions on self-awareness, emotional balance, and positive mental health practices, creating a safe space for students to express themselves and reflect. Through interactive activities and open dialogue, students were guided towards building resilience and a healthy mindset.
On 19 April, as part of the CBSE mandated National Nutrition Mission, the school conducted various activities promoting nutrition, healthy habits, and balanced diet. From poster making activities to interactive sessions, students learned the value of mindful eating and wellness, a step toward building a healthier and happier future generation. On 22nd April 2025, Vidya Valley School joined the global community to celebrate Earth Day, emphasizing the urgent need for environmental responsibility and sustainable living. With the theme Plant a Tree Today, Grow a Future Tomorrow, students and staff came together to reflect to the importance of preserving nature. The school encouraged everyone to take small but meaningful steps towards protecting our planet, reinforcing the idea that while nature doesn't need us, we need nature. On 23rd April 2025, in a heartwarming act of compassion and environmental stewardship, the All Indian Rahat Foundation, in collaboration with Vidya Valley School, distributed bird feeders to young learners as part of a thoughtful and impactful outreach initiatives.
April 28, 2025, school successfully organized Health Talk for adolescent girls, focusing on key aspects of physical, emotional, and mental well-being. The interactive session covered vital topics such as personal hygiene, balanced nutrition, mental health, and self-confidence, aiming to equip young girls with the knowledge and tools they need for a healthy and empowered future. VVS is proud to announce that its talented dance champions brought laurels to the institution by securing the winning trophy at a prestigious dance competition held at Annie School, Kharad. The team's electrifying performance, creativity, and dedication stood among strong contenders, earning them top honors. Congratulations to the entire team for the 18 April to 19 April. April 18, 2025, Vidya Valley School successfully implemented the English Art Integration project, making language learning more interactive, enjoyable, and impactful for students. Through this initiative project, students explored English concepts creatively by blending them with various forms of art, including drawing, painting, storytelling, posture, and dramatization. The integration brought lessons to life and transformed traditional learning into an engaging and expressive experience. The project not only boosted language skills but also encouraged information, collaboration, and critical thinking. The school is proud of the students' enthusiasm and their artistic express of language. April 19, 2025, we are thrilled to announce that our esteemed principal, Dr. Suman Latta, was honored with Leadership Award at the prestigious Academic Leadership Summit 2025. hosted by Graphic Era University, Dehradun. Her exceptional leadership, dedication to education, and unwavering commitment to shaping your